And guys, meron naman pa konsuelo to si Meta. Ito at mayroon siyang congrats, you have earned the title of Rising Creator this week. At buksan natin 'yan. Ayan. Sabi niya, uy, may Rising Creator vlogger na ako. Congratulations, Salvador Bandola. You've earned a spot on the top 2% of Rising Creator this week. So, sabi niya, what's a Rising Creator? The Rising Creator title shows that your content has received a strong audience engagement while meeting quality, originality, and integrity guidelines. So, diba? The title now displays on your profile with your self-selected category and in creator recommendation units which may help grow your audience. So tingnan natin at makikita natin yung ayan, as a details sa profile Rising Creator Vlogger. Thank you Meta at nakakatuwa naman. The title is awarded for you for week at time is re-evaluated weekly, and when lost can be earned again in the following weeks, and changing your profile category may void a current Rising Creator, causing its removal. Okay, so hindi tayo maggagalaw ng ating profile. So yan, sabi niya, celebrate this amazing milestone with your fans, and thank you sa inyong mga support guys, dahil hindi ko magagawa to kung wala kayo. Thank you so much guys sa full support ninyo lagi at nanonood kayo at tayo ay nagsusuportahan. Thank you. Focus lang tayo sa goal natin, di ba? Bye!